Dear students, these are the multiple choice questions, and the multiple choice questions are: number one, that is, which of the following can be made into crystals? A bacterium, an amoeba, a virus, and a sperm. So you have to reply it, and the question is which one of the following can be made into crystal. So your answer will be virus, a virus that can be made into the crystal. Neither bacterium will be made into crystal, nor amoeba will be made into crystal, nor a sperm will be made into crystal. So the answer will be a virus. Dear student, second question, and that question is: a cell wall swell up if options are the concentration of water molecules into the cell is higher than the concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium. So if the concentration of water is higher in surrounding than the concentration of water inside the molecules inside the cell, then that condition will be that the cell will swell up. So the answer will be the B. Answer will be B, that this B will be the answer, and answer will be the concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium is higher than the water concentration inside the cell. Question number 3, chromosomes are made up of options are DNA and protein, RNA. So my dear students, you can answer this MCQ like: chromosomes are made up of DNA and proteins. So option is C. Let us come to next question. Dear student, the question is that is which of these options are not function of ribosome. So which one is the not function of the ribosome? Means the option will be the option will be 4, that it helps in manufacture of starch molecule. This is not the function of the ribosome, and you can club it like 1 and 2 means protein and enzyme, 2nd and 3rd means enzyme and hormones, and 3rd, that is 3rd and 4th, hormones and starch molecules. So answer will be the 1st and 2nd. So answer will be A. Answer will be this A. Dear student, come to 5th question. Which of these is not related to endoplasmic reticulum? So let us observe. It behaves as a transport channel, correct? It transports material between the various regions of cytoplasm, correct? It can be the site of the energy generation. This is incorrect. So this C, option C will be not related with the function of the endoplasmic reticulum, means energy generation. That is not the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Dear student, come to the 6th question. The question is the following are few definitions of osmosis. Read carefully and select the correct definition. So you have to read it. Movement of water molecules from region of higher concentration to region of the lower concentration. Through a semi-permeable membrane. This will be the correct. This A will be the correct. Movement of the water molecule from its higher concentration towards the lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Now come to next question, that is question number 7. Plasmolysis in the plant cell is defined as the breakdown of plasma membrane in hypotonic medium, shrinkage of cytoplasm in the hypertonic medium, shrinkage of nucleoplasm, none of them. That will be the answer B, shrinkage of the cytoplasm in the hypertonic medium. And shrinking takes place as a result of the losing water. If the cell is losing water, then that will be the condition of the plasmolysis, and that will be the shrinkage of the cytoplasm in the hypertonic medium. Come to next question. That is, which of the following are covered by a single membrane? So mitochondria, that is double membrane, vacuole, that is double membrane, plastid, that is double membrane, lysosome. This answer will be the B, that will be the vacuole. Vacuole will be the single membranous structure. My dear student, come to the next question, that is question number 9. Find out the false statement. Golgi apparatus is involved with the formation of lysosomes. This A will be the false statement, that Golgi body involved in the formation of lysosome. This will be the false statement, and all others are true. Nucleus, mitochondria, plastid have DNA. Mitochondria is said to be the powerhouse of the cell. Cytoplasm is called as the protoplasm. All are correct, but this one A, option number A, that is incorrect, and this is the false statement. Dear student, come to the next, that is the question number 10. The proteins and lipids that is essential for the building cell membrane are manufactured by rough endoplasmic reticulum. The option number A, that will be the correct answer. So you have to mark it. My dear student, come to the next, that is the question number 11. The undefined nuclear region of the prokaryotes are also known as nucleoid. Option number D will be the option number D, that will be the answer. This, the undefined nuclear region of the prokaryote are called nucleoid. Question number 12. The cell organelle involved in the forming complex sugars from single sugars are answer will be the Golgi apparatus. It convert sugar into the sugar plus protein, glycoprotein. So glycoprotein, that will be the complex sugar, and it will be manufactured by Golgi apparatus in the cell. Question number 13. Which out of the following is not function of the vacuole? Storage, waste excretion, locomotion, providing turgidity and rigidity to the cell. So the function like locomotion, that will be not carried out by the vacuole. This one. Dear student, come to the question number 14. An amoeba acquire its food through the process termed as exocytosis, endocytosis, plasmolysis, or exocytosis and endocytosis. So that function is called, actually that is called the phagocytosis, and phagocytosis is the part of the cytosis. So the food that is intaking by the amoeba, so intaking the material, that will be called the endocytosis. Question number 15. The cell wall of which one of these is not made up of cellulose? So bacteria, hydrilla, cactus, mango tree. That will be the bacteria. Answer will be the bacteria. 16. Silver nitrate solution is used to study. That is used to study Golgi apparatus. So answer will be this Golgi apparatus. Question number 17. Organelle other than the nucleus containing DNA is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, mitochondria. So mitochondria will contain that will be containing the DNA apart from the nucleus. Kitchen of the cell is, that is chloroplast. Answer will be the chloroplast. So this will be the kitchen of the cell. Cell arises from pre-existing cell was stated by Hook, Haeckel, Virchow and Schleiden. That will be the Virchow. So the cell theory, first of all, it is proposed by the Virchow. That is, the cell arises from the pre-existing cell. Cell theory was given by Schleiden and Schwann, Hook, Virchow and Haeckel. Cell theory was given by the Schleiden and Schwann. So question number 20, let it check. A. Answer will be this one, A. My dear students, come to the other questions and other questions of the MCQ practices. That the only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell is mitochondria, plastid, ribosomes and lysosomes. So only ribosomes will be seen in the prokaryotics. Only ribosomes will be seen in the Prokaryotic cells. Organelle without a cell membrane is ribosome, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus and nucleus. So that will be the ribosome. Answer will be the ribosomes. So my dear students, come to the next question. 23. 1 micron is that is the equivalent to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Answer is A. Living cells were discovered by Leeuwenhoek. A.V. Leeuwenhoek discovered living cells like RBC, protozoan and some bacteria with the help of his compound microscope. Question number 25. The basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms is an that is cell. That is a cell. So the answer is cell. Therefore, my dear students, you have already done this 25 questions from the chapter cell of MCQ, and question number 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 and 33, 34 up to the 37, 38 and 39 that you will do as the assignment. So dear student, if you complete these all 39 questions at your home, then you will be able to answer all the possible questions from these chapters. Dear students, I am Rajendra Rai from LPM Public School, presented this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.